Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Subuta. Subuta is sweet sour pork. It's one of many popular menus at Chinese restaurants, and you may think it's available only at the restaurant, but it's not that difficult to make it at home. So today, I'm showing my way of making it. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Subuta. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of pork tenderloin, or you can use any other part you like, or even chicken. 1 onion, carrot, I'm using half of this today, some bell peppers, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of sake, 6 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, some salt and pepper. For the sweet sour sauce, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and sake, 3 tablespoons each of vinegar, sugar, and ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of potato starch. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first, so let's start with vegetables. I'm using half of the carrot. Peel the skin. Cut the top off. Let's make diagonal slices. Put them face down like this and make thin slices. Onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half this way. Then into 8. Bell peppers, cut them into half. Remove the seeds and the pith inside. And let's just cut them into bite-sized pieces. Pork. Using the back side of the knife or meat mallet, beat it to tenderize. Let's cut it into half long way. Then bite-sized pieces. Pork. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of sake. About 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Rub it well. And leave it for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's mix all these seasonings for sweet sour sauce. 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sake, 3 tablespoons each of sugar, vinegar, and ketchup. One tablespoon of potato starch. And the sauce is ready. Now, back to pork. I'm going to deep fry it. So while you heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-high heat, let's stuff the pork with potato starch. So it's completely coated with the starch. Let's check the temperature of the oil. So put down chopsticks into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up from the chopsticks, that's the right temperature. Put the pork one by one gently into the oil. And fry them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It's nicely browned, so let's take them out. I'm going to use the same frying pan to cook them all together. So let's take out the oil. Turn the heat on and let's cook the vegetable over medium heat. vegetables are wilted, kill the heat and put the pork back in. Mix the sweet sour sauce and add it to the frying pan. Give it a mix. Turn the heat back on and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, kill the heat and it's done. Serve on the plate. And Subuta, sweet sour pork, is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Pork, some vegetables, itadakimasu. The pork is almost crunchy on the outside and it's so juicy inside. And the vegetables that are never overcooked are so refreshing and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Subuta is the main, so it goes here. The main is very rich and filling, so let's have something refreshing for the side dishes. How about nori and lettuce salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!